Right. Hi, I'm Toby.
I'm Wendy.
And here we are. We're going to be planting the Hypertufa that we created in our last video. So we're just going to plant it. We rinsed it out with vinegar wash, so it's ready to go. So I'm going to plant this one, and Wendy's going to plant that one.
So here we got our dirt.
Man, you're good at scooping.
Oh yeah, dish you done.
So we made these planters for a couple of our friends who are turning 50. So this is what's happening.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm starting with, this is a succulent, which I probably just put too much dirt in here. Oh yeah, put too much dirt.
That's okay.
So what I do is I squeeze, hair.
It's hot here
Yes,
today. It's hot.
So I just squeeze the pot and I smoosh it in the middle.
And this is called an Echinacea Sunseeker. And we're going to be putting this right in the middle of this one.
This is, I don't have my glasses on, but what is this?
This is a succulent. It's called Be an Echo here. What? I don't even know. It doesn't say what
But
kind
it has these pretty little cute, I don't know if you can see them, the pink flowers, which I'll come to you really fast. Do you see those pink flowers? They're kind of cute. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna do these guys, and don't have my glasses on. What are these?
That is called, you know, it's called a pink portulaca. Portulaca!
Aren't these kind of cute? Which I thought would be cute with this particular succulent. Sorry guys, I put too much dirt in here.
And I'm planting some vinica. Aren't these?
Oh.
Some vinica. So here we go. I'm just gonna break up the little root system on the bottom there.
And so these I just pop out like, this is gonna seem kind of brutal, but that's kind of how I do it. And then I just stick them around. Because you can fill in with dirt.
Recycle the pot here, you guys. How you doing there, Wind?
Fantastic.
A little extra on the top.
And I have my little sprinkle can, so after we get this, oopsie,
nice and planted,
we'll give them some water.
Water.
It's
really hot here today.
Yeah. It's schmushmortion hot. I was not cussing on that one.
Nope.
You're welcome.
Nope. No cussing today.
Except for earlier.
We like to cuss a little bit.
Sorry.
It's part of our deal.
Oh, I broke it off.
It's okay. Put it back in there.
Oh shit.
It's a succulent.
See?
It'll come
There we
back.
go.
It'll come back. You have to have slight cussing periodically throughout this.
Okay.
I don't know. I think they look pretty good. What do you think?
Yep.
I think it looks beautiful.
Okay.
So if you haven't checked it out, check out how we made these Hypertufa out of towels. And this is how we planted them, and this is how they turned out. So you can use kind of whatever you want in whatever zone that you live in. But hopefully you guys like your gifts.
So,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, girls. So this is kind of a random. I had to take these pots into, I went to our local place, Lowe's. Shout out to Lowe's. And I had to take the pots into the store because I wasn't sure like what went with what and like height of the plant. So I took these in and I put them in my basket and I just started sticking plants and flowers in them to see kind of what I liked, and this is what I came up with. So
I think it's great. And the other thing that we might have forgotten to mention was that we did drill holes in the bottom so that you could have some drainage in these. We used a Dremel. It's really important to...
Well, this one I actually cut this one before we
You used
dipped
your
them.
finger. You fingered it.
I cut it, yeah. Cut that. Bring it to a point, cut it off, it's all good. But yes, this one I did before. The rest of them I totally forgot, so we did have to Dremel these out.
See the bottom? Hopefully, yes, I spilled soil on myself.
So yes, this is our planting of our beautiful Hypertufa pot.
Hypertufa!
Yay!
Happy birthday, girls!
Hope you guys have a good one.
Enjoy!
Happy 50!